Hey, this is Bill for Sparky Channel. Today I'm going to be changing out a head on a DeWalt DC-ST922 string trimmer. That's the kind that is foldable. See, it can fold up right here and go in your trunk and so forth. So whenever you're going to work on a string trimmer, an electric string trimmer, take out the battery. Okay, so here we go. This head is the original DeWalt head, and it's missing a cap right now. It's worn out. The springs get worn out, especially on the DeWalt. I'm going to replace it with an Echo Speed Feed head, and the Speed Feed has a more heavy-duty spring in it. It should last longer, and I just prefer the Speed Feeds. The Speed Feeds heads fit on the DeWalt string trimmers. Okay, so what you want to find to take off the old head is this slot right here. See where my Phillips screwdriver is? Okay, there's one of these slots on either side of the body of the string trimmer. So you take this and you rotate it till you see that little mouse hole back there. Then you take your Phillips screwdriver, this is number 1 Phillips screwdriver, you put it right in there. Okay, all the way. And so you see, you got the Phillips going through the body of the string trimmer into this item here. So with the screwdriver going through these 2 holes, well, it's like 2 notches really. Okay, as you're looking at this head, we're going to be turning this clockwise. Okay, and a lot of times they're going to come off by your hand. So try this first. There we go. Okay, clockwise, this comes right off. Okay, if you can't get it by hand, use a big wrench. Just put it right on here. See, right on here, and you pull it out this way. Okay, so that's clockwise. Then take off this item and inspect it and get all the grass or whatever out of there. So you put it back on. The straight edges on this item must align with the straight edges on the bolt. So he just goes there like that. Okay, and this goes down. Okay, it's very important. That goes down. Okay, it goes on those 2 slots. Okay, so this goes on counterclockwise. So we're going to put our screwdriver back in there. Just leave it in there. And we take this and we're going to screw it onto the bolt. That's a reverse thread bolt. And there we go. Just hand tight. Pull your screwdriver out. Okay, now we're going to put the battery back in. Okay, battery's back in now. And I'm going to try it out. There you go. I'll put links in my video description for the DeWalt 20 volt max foldable string trimmer. I'll put a link for the DeWalt replacement head. They're about $27. I'll put a link for the Echo replacement head. That's the one that I chose. They're about $29. And I'll put a link for the Echo SRM string trimmers. I have one of these, and I use that for bigger jobs like a hillside. I have a hillside I have to take care of, so I have one of these. I like the smaller, lighter, quicker electric trimmers for manicuring a lawn, but for big jobs like a hillside, I'll go with the gas-powered Echo. Thanks. I hope this video was helpful.